If you're new to bonsai, you might feel a bit overwhelmed by all the different styles and techniques. But don't worry, bonsai doesn't have to be complicated. In this video, we'll go over the easiest bonsai styles for beginners to master, so you can start shaping your trees with confidence. Let's begin with the formal upright style, or chokan. This is one of the simplest and most natural-looking styles. The trunk grows straight up, tapering from thick at the base to thinner at the top. The branches are evenly spaced, forming a triangular silhouette. This style works well with species like Japanese maple, juniper, and pine. It's a great way to learn the basics of wiring and pruning, while maintaining a clear structure. Next, we have the informal upright style, or moyogi. Similar to the formal upright style, this design is slightly more relaxed. The trunk gently curves as it grows, giving the tree a more natural appearance. Moyogi is perfect for beginners because it's forgiving. Your tree doesn't have to look perfectly symmetrical. Many species, including ficus and elm, thrive in this style. Now let's talk about the slanting style, or shakan. This style mimics a tree that has been shaped by strong winds or growing on a slope. The trunk leans to one side, with branches balanced on both sides to maintain visual stability. It's easy to create and can add a sense of movement and drama to your bonsai. Trees like zelkova or cedar are excellent for this style. Another beginner-friendly style is the cascade, or kengai. This style represents trees that grow on cliffs, with branches and the trunk cascading down. While it may look complex, the cascade style is straightforward if you start with a tree that naturally grows downward, like juniper. You'll need a taller pot to support the downward flow, but the result is stunning and rewarding. Finally, consider the broom style, or hakudachi. This style is ideal for deciduous trees with fine branching like Chinese elm or Japanese maple. The trunk is straight, and the branches fan out into a rounded broom-like canopy. It's easy to achieve with consistent pruning, and is perfect for beginners who want a tree with a clean and elegant look. Each of these styles offers an excellent starting point for mastering bonsai techniques. The key is to choose a style that matches your tree's natural shape and growth pattern. Start small, be patient, and most importantly, enjoy the process of creating your miniature masterpiece. Which bonsai style are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more bonsai tips.